Hi there, this is J3. I have a lot of package here to unboxing. Let's begin with this first one. This one, let's see what we have inside this box. Hold on. Okay, nice package. Yes, this one, Sparkfun. Okay, from Sparkfun. Let's see what we have inside here. Okay, a nice package. Here we have right here this one and the documentation. Let me see what we have here. Okay, a ribbon cable right here with 6 vials right here, 6 vials. I need it for Lego project and to Pixie project. Okay, this is components. This is components. All right, I will show you what it is. It's for Raspberry Pi case, okay? Raspberry Pi 3 case, okay? This one is 2 board, a program, tab program board, Sparkfun Pi programmer head. Let's see one of this one. Let me show you. This is a Sparkfun for program the AVR Spark. Let me see the focus. All right, right here, Sparkfun Pi AVR programmer head. Okay, a nice board. I will use this board for the AVR project, PIC project 2. It's a nice board. I have a post, and you can see it here, right here. Okay, nice. Let's see other boxes. Okay, and this one's from BGUC. Let's see what we have inside this box. All right, here's the package. Nothing more here. Let me put it apart. Sorry. This is I think this was a hub, but it wasn't. I will open for you right away. Hold on. Let me see what we have inside this package. All right. Yes. This package. Let's see. All right. Let me see what is it. Let me see. I don't remember. Yes. Let me see. I don't remember. Yes. 2 SD card, micro SD card for 32 gigabyte for Raspberry Pi project. 2 of them. Oh, I remember now. This is a super a driver for a motor. Let me open one of these. It's a super silent Let me show you. Yes, this is a super silent step motor driver. It's fine. I will make some post about this driver. It's a super silent driver. I will show you in the future project, right? Okay, in this case, let me focus this, sorry. This is a case for, okay, here you have it. It's a, let me open it up. You see how to open it up right here. Okay, yes, right here. And you see, for load the funds, it's a nice package. Okay, it's a nice package for load with 1, 2, 3, 4 USB port and a USB super port. I think this is, I don't know, but here you have it. This is the package. Inside the package we have the cords, okay, for, I think this was for serve for Raspberry Pi, but this is not a hub. This is a for, okay, this package, it's off. Let's see another package. This package right here. Let's see what we have inside this package. Okay, let me see. All right, this is adapter. Let me see. Okay, let me see what it is. Yes, this is a 7-port RUB for Raspberry Pi. Yes, this one is what I want. Let me open it up and see inside this box. It's not very good. The package, then let's see. Oh, there we have it. Okay, and here you have it, a nice, I think this was much bigger, but this is for USB. You have a put USB right here, put the power on. You have the adapter and the USB right here to the computer, and make the hub for Raspberry Pi and for a project like, let me see, SP32, that I need more USB port. Okay, not very solid like the the previous one, but there you have it. And the last package is this package right here. Okay, this is a secret that I want to show you right now. Okay, this is my formação de internet das coisas com ESP32, ESP8266, FreeRTOS, and Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is from Microgenius Solution Technology, and there you have it. Fernando Simplicio is the tutor. This is a nice package. Okay, I think this is all. Let me show all the package right here, and here we have it. This one and this one right here. Okay, and the certificate. Okay, and there you have it. Thank you very much to join me here at J3 channel. I really do appreciate every friend, viewer, subscribe. Special to you. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.